Daphne here with a picture for you of a very dramatic bridge, a 79-foot tall bridge in Bosnia and Herzegovina. But first, I'd like to invite you to join my Facebook group, Second Half Travel Adventures. You're going to love the content. Anyway, this is the Stari Most bridge in the village of Mostar, and it has such an interesting history. The bridge stood for 427 years until it was destroyed in November of 1993 during the Croatian-Bosnia War. Subsequently, and fortunately, a project was set in motion to reconstruct it. The rebuilt bridge opened on the 23rd of July, 2004. And what a beautiful bridge it is, with such an incredible heritage. It's nice that the Stari Most was reconstructed and remains standing to this day.